Whether through vision, through inspiration, or some kind of telepathic information.
Yes,
She vision them and shoot something down with me.
Yeah.
If she go up and eat, she boss enough.
Yeah.
If she go up, if you get her now and make she dress up nice. And say, Whitney Houston, this is Ray from Jamaica, we love you. You know, 2 weeks ago, I got a vision that there was somebody shoving down something in your throat. It's done. The whole world started. Yes, girl. As a lady from CNN right now, I say, I see them kill Whitney, do autopsy, and like them attack her. And she said, I don't care why you think they do autopsy. To find out, one doctor prescribed 5 different drugs for your patient.
True.
First news, isn't it? The first news to them too.
Kill Bumbuckler, man.
Kill
them Whitney Houston, we queen. Kill them, kill with queen. I was vexed about it.
What do you mean?
Nah, trouble see her now. Weakness should say it in the video. I'm tell you something.
Wildlife and
Judge
sizzler.
this and a sizzler this.
Kalonji.
So we love Whitney Houston and all the beautiful female singers out there.
Yeah.
We love her now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you make you feel nice as men
Yeah.
on the planet.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
So Whitney Houston daughter now must just straighten up herself.
True.
Straighten up yourself.
For
Whitney
the world.
Houston daughter must straighten up herself and come take over this thing. Jamaica.
No machine for artists, we say. Real artist Whitney Houston, and a machine for artists.
Fabian Marley.
Bless them, that's
Yeah.
all right.
What do you mean?
We always a face, one love, one art, one God, one aim, and one destiny.
True, man.
Dada.
Dada, give them a little small piece of tune there where you come in there. You're a man that have many songs. Anything will come right off your lips right now at this moment. Yeah.
Yeah,
Exclusive.
because love is the key. You know what I mean? And Rastafari is the way. Holy Emmanuel like him, Selassie and Jah.
Sure. Rastafari.
Forever we speak the truth and forever we live the youth and we love Whitney Houston. Says like a lungy, say rap pam pam. Forever we speak the truth and forever we live the youth and forever we love Whitney Houston. Mama Africa, we love you. Whitney Houston. To the family, condolences.
Sure. Rastafari.
Yeah.
Wildlife to the fullest.
Whitney Houston, always I get a man Houston. Yeah, stand up strong, Mama Earth. You are no machine for all artists, you're the best.
Mad. Fabian. What's a song there? The small one.
I call on the Rastafari to change me from my evil ways. Whoa, I always need your protection, so you might lengthen my days. Whoa, Rastafari live forever.
Bless up. I know it says Master Waves, yeah. Strike Waves Saturdays, yeah. Mad. 87.9 FM, you gotta keep it locked, yeah. Big up yourself. Millennium family. And do remember, Strike Wave Culture Fest is gonna be on May. And you know, Sekolonji will be there, our artist. My little brother. Try know that Wildlife will be there, Fabian Marley. Judgment Yard, Caveman, the family. Everybody are gonna be there. Yeah, Glen Goff, get ready. Yeah, I'm out.